Edo State Governor Senator Monday Okpegolo don express im desires to bring back life to the abandoned Edo State Transport Company in Edo Line, say under the Govunor Obaseki-led administration, the abandoned Edo Line and the company infrastructure and plenty vehicles just dey there dey rotty. The governor talk those one when him and the deputy Right Honourable Dennis Idahosa go for one check visit to the abandoned Edo Line Transport facility for Mission Road, Benin City. For the visit, fleet manager for Move Mokin Jafar in Negbedion come carry Governor Okpegolo and team waka around the premises. The governor come explain say the visit na to see wetin dey ground with him own eyes, so dem fit plan how to revive the transport company make e start to dey produce profit again. As e dey talk for the Edo Line premises, Governor Okpegolo come talk say im dey there to see how Edo Line wey dem abandon for many years fit come back to life, say the place don turn bush and e don dey completely neglected. E come still talk say e come to also know whether na these few motos wey dey there na im remain for Edo Line. Say before dem get more than 200 vehicles and say dem go find the missing vehicles, recover them and use them take revive the company for Edo people benefit.
My mission here is to come and look at this place. You can see this place is bushy now, and I was just trying to find out whether these are the only asset of Edo Line. The few vehicles you are seeing here, they are not the way it used to be. I know they have over 200 vehicles. We'll look for those vehicles also and see how we can revive it.
Make una not forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. From Benin City, Ekata Ojesele, TMC TV News.